AJ Odudu recently suffered a foot injury, raising speculation that she might not be appearing in as anticipated, but Rhys Stephenson has been quick the rumors. It had seemed as though ailing AJ would struggle to take part after the agonizing ligament pain in her ankle caused her to projectile vomit. She confirmed via her Instagram page that she still hopes to be at Saturday's final, but that didn't stop Strictly Come Dancing viewers from wondering whether Rhys, who narrowly missed out on a spot in the final with partner Nancy Shue, might have been penciled in as her replacement. "Let me tell you now," the 28-year-old exclaimed. "Absolutely not. I mean, 2 days, really?" The Lewisham local added, "I value my mental health too much. I wanna go there to enjoy myself and have a good time." He explained that he'd had a lot of messages from friends and loved ones inquiring on whether his journey on Strictly might be resurrected following his recent elimination, with some assuming he would automatically be in the running. However, regardless of whether he is asked, Rhys wants to remain an audience member, due to the lack of rehearsal time he would have if he was drafted in at the last minute. "That ship has sailed," he claimed adamantly. "It would be lovely, but not with 2 days to go." In a message of solidarity to AJ, who has been limping on crutches, he assured his 30,800 followers, "She's gonna come back, she's gonna be strong." TV presenter AJ had claimed on yesterday's It Takes Two show that she was genuinely hopeful she could still compete. Meanwhile, Rhys remains proud of reaching the semi-finals with dance partner Nancy. His most recent post on Instagram contained the quote, "Don't cry because it's over, smile because it happened." Thanks to @Tom Fletcher for that Dr. Seuss quote, he credited his fellow Strictly contestant. "Secondly, thank you all for sticking with Nancy and me throughout this whole journey. It wasn't easy, but the best things rarely are." The bubbly CBBC presenter and TV personality added, "So many people would give so much just to be on this dance floor, so to have done it for 12 weeks is already a win. I'm a little lost and sad right now, but to cry and feel is great thing because it means you're healing. I will carry the memories of this experience and my time with Nancy with me for the rest of my life." Rhys has labelled this year's Strictly final, with a same-sex pairing and a pairing containing a member of the deaf community, the most diverse in the show's history, and has indicated that he can't wait to tune in.